it from so far. I'm gonna take from so far. And if God take me from so far, He can take you know.
Too much, your excess love. Your love is overflowing, never ending. Too much, hey, too much, your excess love.
Like, just like literally just I sit here. I don't know if this ever happened to you, where, you know, you'll be singing a song like for months, weeks, years, and like nothing no connect. Like you understand the song what I say or whatever, but then God bring you to this point, like when tell us say, oh, listen to the song and analyze it, analyze it, and we there and I listen to the song, say Jesus, you love me too much. And me I say, can you imagine? God love me too much. Like what the man I try to say, well when me get from the song is that no matter what me do, no matter what me do, like God love me too much. Like Him still love me. Like for all of those person where in the world and we sin, we fornicate, we rape, we steal, we kill people, God still love them. Like you can imagine? And you know, like just minister to me say, like me there me now watch church and you know, me reach to a breaking point. Like from week me just stay here and which like you know, you just step on a different level. We don't really want to hear, you know, and talk to nobody. We don't want, we just want reason with God, if you understand. And I talk to God for a week and I say, oh God, I dey here for too long. Like I feel like me not grow, me not go nowhere. And me not tell a lie, I'm not going to be a hypocrite. Me still have sin. We still sin. And hear me fall, but me get up back. And God tell me say, yo, Him love me same way, regardless. And no matter how much time I fall, all me know to do, me know to stay down. And that don't mean say He might give me the go ahead for justice. Just say, you know what, God will forgive me anyway. God have mercy and whatever. Like this song I tell me say, yo God, you love me too much. Like in a places where you're not supposed to love me, you still love me. Like you know, you can imagine you have somebody and you tell them say you love them. You love, like you tell them, you know, you genuinely tell them say you love them, and then do something and they hurt your feelings, and the love where you have for them not the same anymore. But God love me stay so. God still love me regardless. No matter what we do, no matter how much time I walk in front of Him, God still love me. And then it just you know, like the love of God, you can't comprehend it. And the other day we were in the bus and the driver played gospel song. Like for the whole week, like God just said, no matter which bus me take or which taxi me take, I play gospel music I play. And even when we get in the bus, like sometimes we get in the bus and I have headphone and I gospel and I listen, like me not listen to nothing else other than gospel. And we go in the bus, and when we go in the bus, the gospel not playing, and then this man like irritated by the whole gospel thing. I don't want to talk about say, you know why you're not preaching, you know why you're not gospel. I'm going to tell the driver, so I should drive and left free music, leave the music alone. And the man start cussing, what if I bad word? And the man talk about say, oh, God don't love me, because if God didn't love me, God would have killed her for the whole of the bad people them. And I just down there now, I just listen to him, but I not say nothing. And him just go on and go on and go on and I say God are wicked and God are this or whatever, because if God didn't love we, he would have killed after one of the bad people them. And long and short of it, the bus broke down. And when the bus down, the man said, you see me I tell you? You see me I tell you? The bus, whatever. God don't love me. God don't love me because of that the power of Mary. And in my mind, like, you know, like God tell me say, you're supposed to have something to save you from. Because, you know, in everything you must look for the positive stuff. Supposed to have something to save you from. And long and short of it, we come off of the bus. Everybody come off of the bus. And me take a different bus and the man take a different bus. So we go separate ways. And like me, I think what time I say, God, why would I make like people like them here? I says like no, like the man did not this God, like would I call it to him like I say God no love me and whatever. I say God, why would I make like the facts that the bus brought down and how the man get glory out of the facts where he must say God don't love me because the bus broke down and it's like theme point is proven. And I say God, why would I make him succeed over way? Like why would I make the bus broke down? The fact say him and I play gospel song in the bus and preaching not going on the bus and whatever. Then the bus go broke down and they would like say the devil win. And God say, why you question me? Suppose that's something saving from. And then the song that's playing now say, yo, God, you love me too much. And me I reflect back on it and I say, yo, even though the man say God could have killed out everybody. He could have killed out everybody. Yes, God could have killed out all of the bad people them. But because he loved them so much, he loved them so much, and just like give them time to come to him and repent. Just like give them time to come to them and repent. And no. There's nothing like God love. The Bible tells us that for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. You can imagine the people there when they crucify him, then spit upon him, then beat them, lash him, and he could have said, God, me not do it anymore. Jesus could have said, God, me not want to do it anymore. Me not save my soul for them people here. Me not save humanity because them disrespectful and them are ridicule me and all them something. And them still go ahead and say there is a bigger picture, and then go ahead and take the ridicule, take the shame. Everybody has spit upon him, everybody laugh after him and all them something, and then take it and then go up on the cross and then nail his hand and his foot to the cross, and he said, Father, forgive them because they know not what they did. Can you imagine a love like that? You can imagine a love like that? Jesus. I'm saying this to say that no matter what kind of mess you're in, no matter what, God, the love of God can change you and take you out. No matter what, fall 7 times you get up back. If you fall 500 times, get up back, no stay down. Because even when you come to God, you're not going to just drop off everything. So, because even though I still have things I work on, every day I say, God, why you can't just take it out of me? But God wants me to reach a place where you just surrender everything to him. I mean, me save a long time. And the fact that me save a long time, which I reach, but me not tell no lie, which probably did there before, I'm not there anymore. I'm not there anymore. Me see whole heap of change and growth in me. And even if nobody not tell me I not see it, me see it for myself. And God is so good. Even when God is so good. even when nobody love me, God love me seriously. Oh, thank you, Lord. God is still good. God take me from so far. God take me from so far. And if God take me from so far, He can take, you know. God take me from molestation, from sexual immorality, from lying, from stealing, from rebelliousness. If God take me from them place there, no matter what, He can take you. God take me from suicidal thoughts. Nobody couldn't talk to me. Nobody couldn't talk to me. Talk back, me fight. Right now, me not have a fight for anybody. And if God can take me from them place there and humble me and let me reach His spot me there, He can do it for me. We never intend to make a quick video like this. A big video like this. It was supposed to be just a WhatsApp status. But I think we probably post it on YouTube. I don't know.